Hello, this is Howie Jai for Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. This video I'm going to show you how you can add and remove any device from your Bluetooth option in your iMac, Macbook Pro, any other version of Apple computer. Very simple process. You have Bluetooth option here. You can do directly from this place. If you don't see here, don't worry. Go to Apple logo, go to System Preferences. Here, check where is Bluetooth here. This is the main place where you can add and delete all the Bluetooth device. I have so many devices, I don't want all of them here. For example, this one I don't want anymore. I delete this one, remove. This one, earpod, neither. I remove that device. Okay, so after removing, you'll see some new device appear. I want to connect a new earpod. I have my earpod here. Then as this, and I hold, you see, should appear white. So it's appearing. I hold few seconds. White light is blinking. Let's see. You see there the earpod is available. So I close here and I'm gonna hit to connect. I open anything to play to check is working or not. Go to YouTube Music and I put caption and I'm listening exactly with the earpod. So it's very simple process, guys. So you see here, so this is connected earpod. That's all. So this is the way you can add and disconnect any device from Bluetooth in your iMac, Macbook Pro or any version of Apple computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till then, bye bye.